I'm falling, bro. I'm falling. Not again. Yo, I'm Ronaldo. Don't shoot at me. I'm Ronaldo. No, please.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another Airsoft gameplay. In today's video, we're going to be playing with a lot of my friends. That's because back in September, I had my birthday party, which I invited them all to play with me. And as you'll see toward the end of the video, it was a doozy. So stick around to see that. We started off the day by playing on Ghost Town. And as you'll see, it starts off slow, but then it picks up pace toward the end of the video a lot.
Holy crap. Let's push up this right side.
Right side? I heard it's coming from the left.
And as you'll see throughout the video, there's a second angle.
Ready? Come up a little bit.
That's because this is actually Laurent's POV. And I have made a whole nother video highlighting only his point of view. So check that out with the card on screen or in the description.
Nice push. Hit! There's a guy far. Guys, you guys gotta push up.
Yeah, but like, look at you. Like, look at me.
Yeah, look at you. You're more nimble.
And he's also really into Ronaldo.
Oh, guy pushing, guy pushing.
I got him, let's go!
It's open, go, go, go!
Wait, can I go to the house? Osked.
Yeah, go. Reloading. Oh yeah, they do.
Pushing, two pushing! Come on, everybody got right.
Hit!
Everybody got right.
Shit. I got hit! We have to go a little more than that, guys. Got him. Got him. Come on, bro. Guy going to the right. Guy behind the boxes. Okay, he's dead.
Someone's shooting at that doorway in front of which one back.
There's a guy coming right now.
One of them down. Right there,
Hit!
Inside, 3 people.
You good? You getting hurt a little bit?
I thought it was yours or something.
What?
You guys made it seem a lot worse.
It's not that bad? That's good.
I had my whole left side open. Not one person was there.
I know.
You're stupid.
You're stupid.
How you doing?
So,
Dude, I love your shirt, man. It's so sick.
thank you, dude. Thank you. AliExpress.
No way.
Yeah. Everything except the shirt is AliExpress. Except the pants are $5.11 though. AliExpress, everything here, the belt, everything. So it's cheap. Yeah. Thanks. And that's game.
We won!
Yay! Let's go.
So this is the matter. We put it on auto and you run.
Auto you can't do though. My battery ran out?
Okay, so for some reason my gun was malfunctioning here, and I have no idea why. I was just shooting and then all of a sudden it just slowed down and stopped. It completely stopped shooting. I thought it's because I had a dead battery, but no, that was not it.
Shit. Hit.
So because of this problem of my gun not shooting, I can't really play the game, so I had to step out. But instead of just standing there next to the refs outside of the game, I decided to go back in and play with them a little bit.
Oh, my battery ran out.
So I just took Laurent's phone out of my pocket and I just started recording, and this is what happened.
Hold your head!
The right leg hurts a bit. I might say. The right leg hurts. That was a nice ball.
Nice. Good video.
Oh, no way, bro. Still recording. Hide my phone.
Absolutely not.
And while I had Laurent's phone, I decided to take some pictures. But I never expected it to turn into a frickin' photo shoot. Oh gosh. Anyway, back to some gameplay.
You asked for it.
Oscar, where are you going?
Go!
Oscar, you're slow.
Push up, push up.
And here I was having the same issues as before.
What the fuck?
What?
Then you know you have a scope, right?
I know, but it's not comfortable. Game over. Hey, dumb. Sometimes I use it.
Sometimes.
Yes. But right now it's dangerous because you're showing a lot of hair.
Well, that's how it is.
Yeah.
That's you gotta peek like.
I know.
Guys, push up with me, push up. There's a guy over there. Push up. Watch for us, watch for us.
Somehow my gun fixed itself, so that's good.
Okay guys, don't push up anymore.
Oh shit.
That's game.
Wait, let me go to auto.
Okay, dude, don't waste all your ammo. You guys, can you say what's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?
Say what's up, YouTube.
What up, bitch?
Okay.
Hello. What's up?
Say what's up, YouTube.
Hey! I like it from the back.
Gucci. Look at our little group over here. Aww.
I feel twice. I ate.
And what if I go like this? What's happening over here?
They keep shooting my toes.
What time is it?
Hey, friendly fire.
What time?
Hey.
It's out. I have no mag.
While I was scrolling, eating shit.
The BBs put them in your hand, just throw them.
Yeah, dude, just chuck it.
No, yeah, but like I was in my pocket just in case, and while I was scrolling, eating shit, I lost it. It fell out of my pocket. Because the whole match, look, you can see. I was scrolling. Oh, also I'm Ronaldo.
Yeah, sure.
I made it myself this morning.
Really? We couldn't tell. Fuck. Hell. That happens way too often. I see one back there.
Yeah, that's right.
Got him. Got him. Go, go, go.
Hey, you have to tell me real quick. You'll be all good.
Relax.
How did
relax.
disarm a knife?
Chill, bro. Chill.
Dude, I don't have it, bro.
Dude.
You see, like I don't have it. Trust. Oh, bro, he's violating me. See, if I was a girl, I could scream rape.
I know, right?
Your whole career would be over.
I know. Girls, am I right?
Oscar, am I recording?
Yes.
You are in fact recording for 8 minutes.
Are you recording?
No.
Minors without their consent? Yo.
Dude, I am recording. What do you mean?
Now you are.
Fastest boy. Still fastest boy.
Holy shit.
What are you doing?
Hey, none of my hand.
Hey,
You're out, bro.
you're out, bro.
I got a headshot on him. Come on, bro. Call your hit. Chill. Hit! My finger! No, everything's good. Everything's gooch. I'm going to Laurent. Yo guys, what's up over here?
I have no bullets, so I don't know.
Why do you guys run out of ammo so fast? I did it because I gave one of my mags away. What you doing here, dude?
Collecting bullets.
This has like 10 shots left. This has like 10 shots left.
Yoink! I'm gonna.
One mag in a dream.
Yo, what's up, Ben? How you doing?
Oh, where are they?
Trying to hold down the.
Where are they?
I think they're gone. I can't tell though. I thought there was one guy who just disappeared.
I'm having two angles.
Fuck.
I can just go like this. Camera reception. What's up, Laurent's camera? How you doing? We're gonna go check out what Laurent and Peter are doing over here.
I'm out of ammo. Да. Нет. Я здесь сижу, собираю.
Let's go, let's go,
My
let's
point of
go.
view back.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go, bro, push up.
Bro, you mean to say? Wait. What about the mag? What about the mag?
Screw your mag.
That's not even my mag. That's your mag.
Yeah, I'm telling you. This is so hard to get.
Oh, so hard. Sue.
Let's go, guys.
I dare to sue. I like that.
The shoe got me power. Let's go. Let's go. Shoe! Es número 7, Cristiano Ronaldo. Shoe! I'm falling, bro. I'm falling. Not again. Shit, not again. Bro, Peter. Peter, help me. I'm falling.
Dude, stop shooting.
It's not my fault.
Dude.
Bro, he's
stand
aiming right
up.
at me, bro, and I'm falling, bro.
That sucks, doesn't it?
I'm Ronaldo. Don't shoot at me. I'm Ronaldo. No, no, please.
Let go, let go. Shit. Bro, we won this match. Look how far we got, bro.
Double kill.
Got him.
Oscar's ass. That shit, Oscar's ass.
Bro, I got like 7 kills already here, just here.
Bro, I got like 5 this match.
Yeah, this is the best one.
Yeah, that's a nice map.
Hey, Oscar.
I think I'm out.
Stop. Okay.
Okay, no.
There's like 30 seconds. Do the suit, guys. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Game!
Cristiano Ronaldo!
That was hype. That's what you did last time.
That was such a good game.
That was the best one.
Damn, firstly, I beat him up even if he isn't.
I did.
I'm Ronaldo, by the way. Nice to meet you. What? Did you hear the kid yelling, Ronaldo Sue?
Oh yeah.
Bro, what a weirdo, bro. Bro, I was eating grass. I mean, I was eating dirt, bro. I broke a tree branch. That was sick. Oh, wait.